Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we got delivered the new exhaust. It's a Black Widow exhaust, is this one, and we're gonna do an unboxing and we're gonna go to the garage and fit it. Hello Hugo, say hi. Yeah. He's curious. Yeah, anyway, new exhaust, we're gonna go and fit it. We're gonna fit this one into our Z750, replace this. I don't want to say it's ugly, but and obviously we're gonna do a before and after sound. Hugo, got some paperwork. We got, what do I believe it is, the silencer, or yeah, we'll go to this later. Oh, even a keychain, that's nice. Gonna use it at work. Exhaust assembly paste. People who are gonna fit it, you're gonna know what's this. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Whoa. Ratchet. Okay. Some screws. Okay. Oh no. It's starting to rain, so hopefully we'll be able to get to the garage before it starts raining, because this needs to be fitted today 100%. Nice packaging, to be fair. Moment of truth. We know how we love it. Beautiful. Just beautiful. So it's quite big, to be fair. I don't know, I had the feeling it was gonna be smaller, but I do like it big. Oh yeah, like it big. I had the chance to buy the smaller ones, but I do believe the smaller ones doesn't look this good on this bike, because it's quite a big bike. So yeah, this is the new exhaust. Stay here, we're going to fit it now. Right, we just got back to the we just got to the garage, and before we're gonna install everything, got the exhaust and everything I received from the Black Widow. We're gonna do all this before and after. So let's say before. Not bad, but we'll see in a second with the other one. Well, a second or more. Ooh. Let's see. Right people, we just finished the exhaust mount. Looks great, sounds good, I'm not gonna lie to you, I already started it, but I want you to leave in the comments if you like it. Have a look. Right, I'm all over the place with these videos because my GoPro just died, but this is the new exhaust on the bike, and let's see how it sounds. Yeah, this is me smiling. I love it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I think it's the best thing that happened to me today. Oh yeah, no, it's lovely. Look at it. To be fair, I was expecting to be a more bass, but it is what it is. Right, exhaust done, new number plate on its way. Tomorrow, if our friend Nick it's free and can give me a hand, we're gonna straighten or tighten, not straighten, tighten the chain, and after that probably a good clean it will require, because on the weekend we're going out. Hopefully by then we're gonna have the chin mount so we can record while we're riding. So happy days. Thank you for staying this long. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the the bell button so you will be notified when I'm gonna post something else, and a like will be good, and a comment, why not, but don't be mean. Not now, no, I don't need that. Anyway, I salute you.